was something that I was waiting until this morning, actually, if something will change, so I can make some changes for their good, or our good. So I will propose one by one. We have decided already in this meeting everything. I got application. I really studied that very correctly. And first I will go with the exclusion of the members. First we'll go Canada Rain Soccer Association. We didn't have any communication with them for a long time. Tried to communicate, send them a lot of letters, but no reply. So this is the first, and we will go member by member, because we need to vote each member separately. So I will ask you to vote for exclusion of this member. Canada, yeah, Rain Soccer Association. Okay. Somebody against? Abstain? Second is Pakistan Mini Football Federation. Happened the same, even less communication. So this is the second number. Can you please vote? Thank you. Against? Abstain? And third is Football and Modalities Association Guatemala. They basically withdraw their application for WMF, and this is something more that we need to approve. So it's not explosion of the way that we decided, but they asked to be just withdrawn from WMF. But we need to agree also on this federation. Please, you can vote. Okay, thanks. Against? Abstain? Now I would like to go to a point which I really don't like to highlight here, but it's proposal of suspension of the members who didn't fulfill WMF obligations some way. Usually it's membership fee. This is the really sad, I can say that, but let's go one by one. Macedonian Association for Mini Football Skopje is the first member. So please can you